If you care about keeping your crypto safe, then you should not store it using an exchange. Today I'm going to show you why exchanges are the worst storage method of your cryptocurrency and provide you with some other secure alternatives. But before that, we need to understand where crypto is actually stored. Many crypto enthusiasts believe that cryptocurrency is actually stored in the wallet itself. This is a common misconception. Crypto and other digital assets are actually stored on the blockchain. The blockchain is simply a publicity display digital ledger, and whenever you create a new crypto wallet, it automatically generates a public key that is unique to your wallet. This public key is used to send, receive, and hold your crypto assets. To access your unique public key or public address, your wallet also generates a private key. This key is used to securely manage all of your funds and approve transactions. That's why it's so important to keep your private key private and make sure to never share your private key with anyone. This is also why sole ownership of your private key is so important. If someone else knows your key or holds it for you, then you don't actually control your funds. Person or the entity who has your private key is in complete control. And this is the perfect search into why crypto exchanges are the most dangerous place to store your crypto investments. But first, drop a comment and let me know where you store your crypto. I'm curious to know it. I'm just kidding. When you set up an account on an exchange, you're actually using an exchange hosted wallet, and the exchange holds your private keys on your behalf. That means the exchange is really in control of all of your assets and you don't actually own your crypto. Yikes! Decentralized exchanges don't only have full control over your assets, but they are also more prone to hacks and permanent shutdowns. Just look at what happened with FTX. This crypto exchange filed for the bankruptcy after a wave of customer withdrawals. The reason? They didn't have enough funds in reserve to meet customer demand. So to be clear, you do not want to store your crypto using an exchange for these reasons. Number one, you don't actually own your crypto. Number two, the exchange could shut down. Number three, exchanges are more likely to be hacked. The only exception to using an exchange to store your crypto would be if you are actively trading an asset and plan to cash it out into your bank account quickly. Other than that, you should never allow an exchange to manage your funds. So, what's the next best option? Allow me to introduce you to self-custody wallets. These wallets allow you full access and control over your private key. When you create a self-custody wallet, the wallet randomly generates a private key that only you know and no one else has any clue what it is, including the wallet company. The two most popular types of self-custody wallets are hot and cold wallets. Hot wallets are more secure than an exchange. However, since they are stored on an internet-enabled device like your computer or phone, your private key is still exposed to potential hacks. So really, a hot wallet is only as secure as the device that you are using it on. If there is malware or some type of malicious software found on your device, then your wallet could be hacked as a result. Nonetheless, hot wallets still provide full control and ownership of your private keys, which is the ultimate goal when it comes to crypto wallets. Some of the most popular hot wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Electrum. MetaMask is my favorite. Hot wallets are definitely a step in the right direction, but they're still not the most secure storage solution for your crypto assets. The most secure storage solution for your cryptocurrency is a cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet. This wallet is a physical device that stores your private key offline in the device itself. So not only do you own your private key with a cold wallet, but now it is also kept offline, away from hackers. Some hardware wallets require you to connect them to an internet-enabled device to initiate and improve transactions, but they are not constantly connected to the internet like a software wallet is. There are also super secure hardware wallets that do not require you to connect to an internet-enabled device. That kind of wallet is called an air-gapped wallet. That wallet uses QR codes to interact with an internet-connected device. That way, you are not actually connected to the internet-connected device. All that said, that mean cold wallets are completely immune to hacks? Not at all. And that's one thing I really dislike about hardware wallets. If I'm being honest, they provide a false sense of security for some users. Many crypto enthusiasts who use a hardware wallet to store their assets believe that they are immune to hacks, which unfortunately leads to them getting hacked. Although being hacked when you're using a cold wallet is much less likely, it's delusional to think that you are completely safe from hacks. One of the most common types of crypto scams is phishing links. So these are malicious links that can appear anywhere, such as your email, text messages, social media feed, and even scam websites that look like real websites. This type of scam tricks users into connecting their wallet to an interface, which when connected actually gives the scammers access to the wallet. This is a completely voluntary scam that no wallet is immune to. Of course, there are plenty of other crypto scams that you should be aware of, which I expose in another video, but if you want such information as soon as possible, check out our free Telegram channel where we post news, useful materials, signals, and even more. Everything is free and you can save hours every day. Now, I know you probably have some questions about hardware wallets, so I want to address those right now. Question number 1. What if you lose or break your hardware wallet? If this happens, your crypto is still safe. Remember, crypto is not stored in your wallet. It is stored on the blockchain. As long as you have your private key, you can always recover your funds even if you use a completely different hardware wallet from a different manufacturer. Question number 2. When should you get a hardware wallet? Well, you should get a hardware wallet as soon as possible. Every second your crypto is not stored using a hardware wallet, it is a risk of being hacked or lost because an exchange shuts down. Question number 3. How much do hardware wallets cost? Hardware wallets cost anywhere from $50 to upwards of $2,500 for a fancier device. However, regardless of the price, it is well worth the protection that it offers to your crypto investments, at least in my opinion. That said, cold wallets are currently the best solution we have for storing and managing our crypto assets. If you're curious to learn more about cold wallets, let me introduce you to an even more advanced option: multi-sig wallets. Multi-sig, short for multi-signature, adds an extra layer of security by requiring multiple private keys to authorize a transaction. This means you can split access across several devices or even people, so no single key holder has full control. For example, you might use a combination of 2 hardware wallets and a mobile wallet where at least 2 out of the 3 need to approve a transaction. This setup makes it nearly impossible for a hacker to steal your funds, as they would need access to multiple devices simultaneously. Now, multi-sig wallets can be more complex to set up, but they're ideal for people managing significant amounts of crypto or for teams handling shares funds. Some popular platforms that support multi-sig include Castle and Unipass. If that sounds like something you would want to explore, I would be pleased to make another video breaking down how multi-sig wallets work, their pros and cons, and how to set one up step by step. Just write a comment and I will make it right away. And as always, stay safe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with a friend or relative, whoever is interested in the topic. Like this video. Don't forget that we have very cool Telegram channel where we share daily news, signals, and etc. So go to the link, subscribe, and stay safe. Bye.